Hi, my name's Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at this pre-owned 2015 Nitro Sport. As you can see, has a nice Minnkota on the front. Got a metal flake, red, gold, and white. This boat's powered by a 150 horsepower Mercury engine. Lots of compartment space here. Lots of storage. Got 3 seats in the back. Got in-floor storage. Couple captain chairs. Got a nice Lawrence at the helm. In the center there you got rod storage. And again, more storage up here, more live wells. Got a couple spots to put extra fishing chairs, one in the front and one in the back. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out, check this boat out, and like always, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.